YouTube, how y'all doing out there today? Back with a quick little unboxing, little mail haul we got going from got an order in from Funko shop, and order we had placed a while back from Walmart. We were lucky to get this one in because this one had got out of stock real quick. Then it did a restock. It may still be available now. I'm not sure. We're gonna open these up. Be right back. Let y'all see what we got. We got the Funko Dorbs, the Marvel Infinity 3-pack. We got the Hulk. These are limited to 3,000 pieces also. I'm not a big Dorbs collector, but a few of these I do like. I got the Game of Thrones Direwolf set. There's Captain America. Then we got Thanos. Yeah, I just wanted to have these little guys in the collection. I am still partial to, regular pops, but a few of these guys I like I said, Game of Thrones, Marvels, and there's a couple more I may pick up, not too many. All right, we're gonna be right back and we're gonna get into this Walmart box. All right, let's see what's in this Walmart package. Walmart is notorious for how they ship pops, so hoping this one didn't come damaged. We got the ECCC exclusive Void from Incredibles 2. Like I said, we're really excited to get this one in. It just sold out pretty quickly. This is a pretty unique looking pop. That halo around her, I like the way they did that. Alrighty, so that's a quick little mail haul we got for the day. All right, there they are. We got the Funko Dorbs, 3,000 count, limited edition, Avengers Endgame. And then we got the ECCC limited edition exclusive, Incredibles 2 Void. Like I said, these are some pretty good ones we wanted to add to the collection. Been waiting on them to come in for a while. Hope y'all having a blessed day out there. Y'all collect what you love. Funk Papa here. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe. We'll try to keep it going. Funk Papa out. Collect what you love.